If you're a science enthusiast, you need to know about fossilized raindrops. That's right. Scientists have found fossilized raindrop imprints in ancient rocks. These tiny craters tell us a lot about Earth's early atmosphere. How? Well, the size and depth of these raindrop fossils reveal the air pressure from billions of years ago. Higher pressure means thicker atmosphere. By studying these ancient raindrops, we can learn about the climate and environment when life was just beginning. It's like reading a weather report from the dawn of time. Amazing, right? So next time you see a raindrop, remember, it's not just water, it might be a clue to our planet's ancient history. Keep exploring and stay curious. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool science facts.